Kotoko have not scored a goal in their last 5 away games. What do you think seems to be the problem for them?
Yes, looking at the way they are playing, I think the problem is from their bench. Yes, their technical bench, that's the problem, because you could see that they are playing very well in terms of midfield, from even defense to attack, they are playing very well, but their game lies on only one person, that's Steve Mukwala. Anytime they get the ball, they need to float it to Steve Mukwala, and Mukwala has been their only player that they've been channeling all their passes to, and I think Steve Mukwala being their target man and being the person that they want to send the ball to has been the problem for Kumasi Asante. If they've opened up for each and every player can score, I think Kumasi Asante Kotoko are good to go.
Kotoko have not scored a goal in their last 5 away games. So what do you think is the problem?
Like I was saying, media, I will tell you, Kotoko referees, Ghanaian referees, they have agenda against Kotoko. I've watched Kotoko matches, away matches. The way referees handle the match, it seems like some people sit somewhere, set an agenda against Kotoko. Because though Kotoko players, they are not giving up their best pass. They are not giving out their best pass. Referee is the main problem. Referee is the main problem. See, they said the Kotoko has top liner. See, you make the whole stadium free, but see.
Thank you, boss. Thank you. Boss, 5 away games, no goals.
Oh, and a ball, and I will come for some. And there be also a case as Asante Kotoko on your team and your machine. Who team I feel Chamu, what team arena trophy, no, one home team be a crossroad. And as I say, as we have said, you're to send me and son. Aha, and yes, and what do you want a yarn, sir? A piano starts a year or that kind of your name and terminals was a cool loose. And to have one crop and terminal, fear billet them, yet they saw him the club your team here. They can't want to be and Timon Kaya, yeah, by Bagia, the water.
Medas.